Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The majority of modern cars have power windows, and the main part of it, which makes the window move at the touch of a button, is called a window regulator. It consists basically of an electric motor that drives the glass up and down, and a mechanism that contains a sliding bar, glass holding bracket or scissor mechanism, and a cable. If any of these parts malfunction, the window will get stuck open or closed, sometimes halfway, and no need to say what an inconvenience this is, especially during rain and winter. Luckily, you can recognize a bad window regulator on time, and this video will show you how to do it. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. The glass moves slowly. In most cases, the first symptom of a bad window regulator is that the window starts moving up and down slowly. At first, this will be barely noticeable, but as the problem gets worse, the window will get slower. In the final phase, the window will barely move or will stop moving altogether. It's worth mentioning that this symptom is similar to when the window seals are old and dry, so you can try to lubricate them to eliminate this as a cause of the problem. Grinding, crunching, or clicking noises. Usually after the slow moving, you'll start noticing a clicking sound. It will be present here and there at first, but later it will become present all the time. Soon after the clicking, you'll hear a grinding and eventually crunching sound when the window moves, and this sound will last for some time. Know that when you hear the crunching and grinding sound, the regulator is on its last legs. A crooked window. Besides all this, the window itself may become crooked and out of balance. So instead of both sides of the window going simultaneously up and down, one side moves and the other follows with a delay. Know that in this case, the window can easily get stuck. The window does not move at all. If you ignore all of the previous symptoms, the window may stop working completely. So you press the buttons and nothing happens, or the window briefly starts to move and then stops. The worst case scenario is that the window stays halfway or completely open. A burnt out fuse. Finally, the fuse for the electric motor on the window regulator may burn out. This is pretty common since when the regulator mechanism gets stuck, it overloads the electric motor and then the fuse blows out. Lots of people attempt to replace the fuse in the hope that the regulator will start working again, but if the mechanism is stuck or broken, that will not help. Dear viewers, the best time to solve a bad window regulator problem is when the window runs slowly. If you react then, there is a possibility that some lubrication of the regulator mechanism may solve the problem, provided that the mechanism isn't damaged. But when you hear the crunching and grinding sound, it is best to react immediately, otherwise the window will soon completely fail. The last thing you would want to happen is that the window regulator completely fails, especially if you need the car on a daily basis or are going on a trip, for instance. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps notice the problem on time. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.